Moving on to the bathroom. That's right, same thing. Lots of hard water buildup, lots of toothpaste, soap scum, you name it. And our tub. So it gets a major stain right here because of, again, the water dripping. But it also, I mean, just glancing at it, you can't tell. But again, once I scrub that, you're going to be like, whoa. Our tub is filthy because we have been bathing animals since we got the puppy. We've been, you know, on the attack. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to let this one sit just a few minutes because it is so, yeah, it's the worst one to get out. Then we're going to see what difference that bars keeper and our scour pad can make. Hey guys, welcome to my skanky shower. So today we are going to use a clearance item and a couple penny items and another cleaner to get this shower back in tip-top shape. I have let it go for 3 weeks purposely so I could clean it and show you how mind-blowing this is. Now you can't see, based on my shadows and everything, quite how bad it is. But I took pictures, so that should show a little bit better. So same thing. I mean, very simple. Now here, I just sprinkle the bars keeper right on. And I do use more in the shower because, well, it gets gunked up quick because of the hard water, because of all the different products we use in the shower. Bars keeper, you need to buy it now. Okay, so here's the other side. See the section already cleaned. And I just, okay, like many things, I just can't handle it. Yeah, the caulking's gonna be happening this week because as I did these videos, I'm like, husband! Okay, those are my Walgreen deals, you know, okay? But yeah, I can't have stuff sitting all over shelves. It bugs me. And so, and I can't have soap. I can't have soap just sitting, like, that's disgusting. I usually take a bath, by the way. And then, I mean, I did implement this a while ago. That was actually an Easter penny, believe it or not. But it gets all gross in the bottom. I just don't, no, I don't want it anymore. You know, I'm done with it. So, I mean, I'm kind of doing it backwards from what I normally would. Obviously, I would do the walls first, but for recording purposes, I wanted to do the bottom, obviously, too, because it was the worst. Although, when you look at your shower, you may think, oh, it's not that dirty. Get a wet cloth, run it across there, and see if it smoothly goes across there. If not, you've got soap scum buildup, and you probably need to do this. So, we're just going to go ahead and turn on the waterworks and watch the orange parade fade away. Oh my gosh, it's so much better. There's just a couple spots that I need to go back over just a little bit. And I have to get this backside. But shower scrub success. But when I clean my tub and showers, that's right, I survive on Pennies. So I put in our Santa sticks once a month so that our drains don't get too stanky. All right, let me know what you think.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up.